Whoa, it's raining so hard right now, I can tell. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god. Oh, the trampoline's wet. That's not cool. So not cool. Oh, look at the birds flying. What's up, you guys? AirJ here, and it's raining, it's pouring, and the old man is snoring. Man, it's a rainy day today. Such a rainy day today. Oh my god. I don't know if I should make the legendary Spyro video part 18 out here, but I decided not to because it's too wet. Oh my god, look at the dirt. Everything. It's wet. It is rainy. Woo! Okay, well, Tower Kid, I was wondering if you changed your name into Alien 6, Tower 6, or Alien Kid. I don't know what you changed into, but I hope it be something good. So anyway, I've been doing pretty good, and I wonder how you... Really, Dad? Okay, such a rainy day today. Woo! Now I'm in the rain. Okay. I don't care. I don't really care. It's raining. Woo! I'm the human eagle and I love the rain. I love the rain, guys. It's so amazing. I see a Christmas tree over there. You see light over there? Yeah, that house over there. I see a Christmas tree, which is lining up. It looks pretty good. But I love the rain still. AirJ in the rain. Woo! Okay, you guys. If you guys like this video, please put that thumbs up button down below. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. AirJ out. Woo!